Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Medical Pro. Do like, share and subscribe to learn more about medicine. Our today's topic would be about celiac disease. It is an autoimmune condition where it causes permanent sensitivity to gluten in genetically susceptible individuals. It leads to an inflammatory condition to the small intestine, especially jejunum. There is a high risk of children acquiring the disease from a very first degree relative. The genes responsible for the celiac disease are HLA-DQ2, HLA-DQ8, and the antibodies produced are anti-tissue transglutaminase, anti-endomysial antibodies. Looking onto the risk factors, a family history in the first degree relative, IgA deficiency, autoimmune thyroid disease, type 1 diabetes mellitus, and inflammatory bowel disease. All these will have a risk of getting a celiac disease. Whenever a gluten-containing food is given to a child, it passes through the duodenum, and at the jejunum this gluten is broken down into gliadin, deaminated by tissue transglutaminase into deaminated gliadin peptide, and this peptide acts as an antigen, in turn activating T helper cells to produce the inflammation and activates the B cells to produce antibodies from the plasma cells. This series of pathophysiology results in villous atrophy of the bowel, hypertrophy of the intestinal crypts, and there will be an increased number of lymphocytes. The signs and symptoms of the celiac disease are diarrhea, malnutrition, weight loss, bloating, anemia, steatorrhea, abdominal pain, abdominal discomfort, aphthous ulcer, and dermatitis herpetiformis. The investigations you do to get the diagnosis are a complete blood count to know the anemic status of the child, serological tests to detect the presence of antibodies such as tissue transglutaminase and anti-endomysial antibodies, an endoscopy to rule out the other conditions with a histopathological study to look for the villous atrophy, hypertrophy of the crypts, and the number of lymphocytes. The treatment is a definite lifelong gluten-free diet, that is, you need to avoid barley, rye, oats and wheat. Along with that, calcium, iron and other vitamin supplements should be given. I hope you understood the topic. Thanks for watching. Do subscribe my channel to learn more about medicine.